Hello guys, Kherk Roldan here, and in this video, I'm going to show you and discuss how you can earn your first $2,000 a month in client SEO. So this is the strategy that I'm using even before until now. It's still working and this is very valuable. So I want you to try this strategy as well because this is very simple, very self-explanatory, and any one of you can apply this process, okay? So right now, as you can see here on my screen, I'm in my PayPal account, all right? So this is an example of $2,000 a month in client SEO. So let's go here. Now, see that one? This is very self-explanatory and very simple to follow. So first, you need to have a knowledge and skills in SEO. It's very important, okay? If you don't have any knowledge and skills in SEO, you need to learn first, okay? You need to learn the basics, the foundation. What are those foundations in SEO? It's keyword research, on-page optimization, technical SEO, link building, and so on and so forth. So you need to understand and learn from it, okay? If you don't have any knowledge in SEO, then I'm sure you can have a problem of getting a 2K a month in client SEO. And you also need to have an updated knowledge in SEO because as you can see or you know, SEO is keep changing their algorithm. We have new updates coming in all the time. So keep up with the latest trends and algorithm updates, okay? But follow the basics. It's very important that you need to know the basics. And also second, get a mentor, all right? Getting a mentor is very important as well because as you know, SEO, you will have problem that needs support, okay? If you don't know the process or how to do this, how to do that, if you have a mentor, then that person can help you in this field, all right? And mentors can help you brainstorm solution, create a strategy, and also you have a lot of obstacles and challenges in this field as well. So that mentor can help you, okay? And yeah, guidance, advices, and inspiration, motivation. So I know a lot of friends who's doing SEO, but they failed. Why? SEO is not hard, but they just stopped because even though there's a lot of training out there, maybe he lost their motivation or inspiration, or they don't know who's the person to ask to. So getting a mentor is very important, but you need to find the best mentor for you who can reach you out anytime you want, who can answer your questions. Because during that time, I started doing SEO way back 2011. Getting a mentor is very hard compared to these days. You have a lot of coaches, gurus out there.
I'm sorry to cut you while watching my video, but if you have a brand, a business, SaaS, or any tools that you want to advertise in this section, email us at hello@kherkroldanseo.com.
Second, create a portfolio. So creating a portfolio is very important if you want to earn 2K a month in SEO. So your prospect can see your previous example of your work, like they can see the websites or GMVs that you ranked before or that you're working before. So they can also see it, so they can decide if they're going to hire you or not. If this person is reliable or not. They can check it because you have your case studies or your portfolio. And it's very easy to close clients if you have portfolio or case studies as well. For example, if you don't have a client yet because this is the first time you do SEO, now you can also make a portfolio by getting your own website and you can practice your learnings there from on-page, technical, content, link building, using your own website. So for this one, you just need to invest a few amount to make a website, hosting, domain, but this is also good so you can test your strategies, all right? Or if you don't want to spend money creating your portfolio, you can also offer or volunteer a free services for your friends, clients, colleagues, so you can also test your strategy and also make a portfolio. For example, you can rank that website for your friends or colleagues, then you can showcase that as your own portfolio as well because that's your work. All right. Third, focus on niche market. So you need to specialize on something. Like if you're good in on-page SEO, you can focus on on-page SEO. If you're good at link building, just focus on link building, or content SEO. You can also focus on that. Or if you're a real estate broker, you can focus getting clients on real estate, okay? Or in law firm. Depends on the industry that your strengths are. Now, you need to focus on that because this is a long-term game. So you need to find the best niche or best industry that you can work with. So by choosing a niche market, you need to research the pain points and also what could be the goals that you want for your industry. Okay? Fourth, have an offer. So creating an offer is very important if you want to generate 2K a month in client SEO, because without making an offer, it's very hard for you to achieve that one. Believe me, because before that time I don't know what's an offer. I created services or services pages and then sell it to my client, posting these services. But then again, services is not an offer. So for me, an offer, this is a solution that you can solve for your client. Okay? So find the best offer that you can solve in your niche market or niche industry. Fifth, this is very self-explanatory, but getting clients. So this one, I'm going to tackle this for this topic, but I have a lot of getting client strategy. But here, this is very simple. First, join freelancing platform. There's a lot of freelancing platform out there. You can go to Upwork, you can go to Online Jobs, Legit, Vitted, and more. So you can start from there. Let's say if you already know SEO, okay, you have a mentor, you have this portfolio, you choose your market, you have an offer. Now that's the right time for you to go to freelancing platform, okay? And you also need to make your resume because freelancing platform require a resume and also CV, so anyone can see your CV. But if you already have your website, then that's already your CV and resume, okay? Because that website is very professional. So for example, you register into 5 top SEO platforms out there. Now, you just need to go to those websites every single day to apply for a job in SEO, and maybe you can have your clients there. Second, leverage your network. So in SEO, there are a lot of experts, there are a lot of gurus or colleagues as well. So you need to be friends with them. Why? Because they are also very important for you, so you can earn 2K a month in SEO. For example, you know someone in web design, but you don't do web design, only SEO. So you can partner with that person and ask him, hey friend, if you have a client who's interested in SEO, let me know and we will be the one to do the SEO for them. And you can get or give a commission to that person who refer you or your friend, right? And also you can do it to all your friends out there who's into internet marketing or online marketing. If they have a client that is looking for SEO, then they can refer to you or get your service. That's it. This is very important, guys. We generate clients by getting networks and trust with those people who are into us. Third, this is very simple. Use social media, but only few people doing social media. So in social media, you need to optimize your profile correctly. Okay, you have Facebook profile, Facebook page, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, X. You need to use them as your money-making machine. And I have a different training for this one. I want you to watch my other video on how to optimize social media properly so you can get clients there. And yeah, optimize your profile, your cover photo, your images, and post content that is related to your craft in SEO. So people will know you or understand that SEO is your industry. And if there's a way I need SEO, then I'm going to contact you. Because those people know you as an SEO specialist or SEO expert by posting content to your social media channels, right? And this is very important. Attend networking events. There are a lot of networking events out there like SEO conferences. So we have SEO conference in the Philippines. You need to attend there this coming September 26 to 29, 2024. If you want to network with like-minded people in SEO or in digital marketing or in agency, then going to conferences is the best for you because you can also have friends with them and maybe they are also looking for your services. And one of the conferences I attended is SEO Mastery Summit. I get clients there, right? So this is also good for you guys if you want to get clients, but don't be shy to ask or communicate with them because that's also a good way to communicate and also networking with like-minded people, and hopefully you can also get clients. And lastly, if you already have clients by following this strategy out there, this is very important. You need to deliver results so the people who's paying you 2K a month, they will go back to you because you are providing them results for your services that you offer to them. Okay, deliver results because SEO is monthly recurring payments, right? So if you provide results to them for a first couple of months, they likely to continue working with you in the future or getting more projects because they like the work that they receive. Okay, so how to provide the results? Then that's your homework, guys. I have a training in SEO. You can go to searchenginemastery.com if you want to learn more in SEO. This one, searchenginemastery.com. So you can go here and subscribe to this course if you want to learn SEO. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.